Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change background color in Windows 10. Right click on Windows, tap on personalize. Here you can see background color, lock screen themes, font, start taskbar. Tap on background. By default background color set solid color as black. You can change color anytime to see change in the background color. The background set red, it's a red in your background. You can also change the picture in the background using this setting in your Windows 10 PC. Now change back Windows 10 desktop wallpaper in your devices. Also set slideshow as your Windows 10 home screen. Also browse from PC in your devices from any drive you want. Let's see other method. Tap on start. Tap on setting. Here you can see Windows 10 settings. Tap on personalization. Here you can see background. Now set a picture, solid color or slideshow you want in your Windows 10 PC. Also change picture time for change time 1 minute 10 minutes. I hope this tips helpful to change Windows 10 wallpaper.